Hey, it's Keisha here with your weekly market update. For the first time this year, the Federal Reserve cut its benchmark Fed fund rate by a quarter percent, bringing it down to a target range of 4 to 4.25%. Now, this move was widely expected as the Fed tries to balance inflation plus growing concerns of a weakening job market. Now, the Fed Chair Jerome Powell summed it up pretty well. He said that there is really no risk free path forward. So, meaning that either way, they're taking a risk due to the weakening job market and inflation. So, this means that the Fed is trying to avoid hurting the economy while still keeping inflation under control. Now, this uncertainty is reflected in the Fed's own projections. There's 19 officials, and 7 of them expect no additional rate cuts this year, with one even projecting a rate hike. 2 expect one more quarter point rate cut this year, and 9 of them expect 2 more quarter percent rate cuts this year, and one is calling for 5. I know, it's confusing, right? Everyone's all over the place. Everyone is projecting something different. Now, you may be wondering if the Fed cut rates, why did mortgage rates tick up? Here's why. Markets often move in advance of big announcements. In this case, mortgage rates had already dropped sharply since August the 22nd when Powell first signaled that there would be a rate cut. Now, when the rate cut finally happened, the market had already priced it in. So the market was ahead of the actual rate cut. And some investors even sold off in response. This is a classic sell the news reaction. And remember, the Fed fund rate isn't the same as the mortgage rates, even though it does reflect mortgage rates over time. So the Fed fund rate does influence the mortgage rates. Now, in the housing news, new construction activity slowed in August, and builder sentiment remains low. But here's the catch, there's a silver lining. Many builders are optimistic because the lower rates could bring more buyers back into the market by the end of the year. Now, if you have any questions regarding buying, selling, refinancing, or the market in general, I will be happy to help. And like always, let's make your next move legendary.